So the Grantley Hall vision and the brief was clear and concise. We wanted something that was at the cutting edge of quality, of luxury, but having a classic DNA. We started with 75 bedrooms on this project, and with the same footprint, scale that back to 47 bedrooms, mainly because of the size and the importance of the bathrooms themselves within the overall project. This project is unique in many ways, but every room is different. So although there's 47 bedrooms, we wanted as few suppliers as possible, so that the overall feel of the project it had unity. One of the other things we found personally, a big part of what we wanted to create here was a relationship with local suppliers. There's no point in just buying things and then never seeing your supplier again. I remember the conversation with Ripon Interiors that we wanted to create a masterpiece here that everybody would benefit from.
We were fortunate enough to get involved before the planning stage even, which was great because we had real insight into what the family were looking to achieve with the project. The brief right from the start was to get the best quality products to suit the exact design brief right the way through, and to enhance the original properties of the building, not to take away from what was there or change it. Everything needed to be enhanced.
We had some challenges with a couple of the rooms, but one in particular, room 11. It's a grade 2-star listed property, but they were particularly sensitive about the style and nature of that particular room. The challenges weren't just from a planning point of view or English heritage point of view. It was from a customer point of view, so we were trying to create something that was more Victorian and Edwardian than the general DNA is Georgian. The finished product was even more welcomed by guests than what we thought. It wasn't a compromise. It's a very, very high quality bathroom. The clear vision now is to be the best hotel in the world. Bathrooms in particular are where we showcase what we can do. We have created something quite unique here, and it's really proud to be associated with it, to be recognised for it, and to celebrate what everybody can do if we all work together.
It's been a real privilege to spend 4 or 5 years working from the start of a project to the finish with all the brands that we've worked with, particularly Victoria and Albert and Perrin and Rowe, to work with the whole design team, to work closely with the family to produce the end goal for Grantley Hall. And it's really nice to be still working with them. A lot of projects demand a lot of pressures where you can fall out quite often, and to have a great relationship with all the design team, the interior designers, the architects, the family and the brands that we've worked with is a real privilege and a pleasure.
Many companies wouldn't have delivered what Ripon Interiors did. This is as challenging a project as you're ever going to find. And we want to celebrate that and showcase it, not just for ourselves, for the benefit of all the suppliers that helped out.